Hi, today we will discuss the best email marketing software for Shopify. I have used tons of Shopify apps which are available on here, Shopify app store, but I have not get the required result. Many of these are not much user friendly and they charge a lot for their services as compared if you get a service from outside Shopify. Like here you will write email marketing, there you will get tons of apps available here for email marketing. You can install it easily like these apps, but I mostly use ConvertKit software. It is very user friendly. You can just sign up here and you will get a 14-day free trial. So I have already opened the account. You just click here on subscribers, and now there are different options available. You can create segments, tags to group your subscribers or customers. Like that we will create a tag, like we will create abandoned cart. We just click here on save. So now our tag is created. Now we will add all the customer our abandoned cart customers in this tag, so we can easily group the different emails, then we can send it. It is very user friendly and easy to use software I have ever used. Now I open the abandoned cart tag. Now we will add subscriber in it. Just click on add subscriber. From Shopify you can easily import a CSV file. You will get a CSV file if you click here on customers. No order in here, but when you can create export customers, it will be on upper side. So I have already a few lists and I will, so you just click here and select the tag. I will select abandoned cart and click here on drop down. Now I already have some the list. I will add it. So just click here CSV file. Yes, I will select the first name here and the email address. That's necessary. We only need first name and email. So we will click here on add subscriber. Now all the subscribers are added to our abandoned cart tag. It is very necessary to so we can group them, so then we can easily send our emails. Now we want to add another tag. You can just create another tag, like you want to add customers which bought or products from your store. Just click here and then you can easily add subscribers in it. So now we will send email. We just click here on broadcast. You can also automate your process by using this automation. It is the best tool from them. We will discuss it later. So you just click here on new broadcast and we will now select the subscribers, and they are selecting all subscribers, all 50. We can filter them like subscribe to, and we will select tag and we will select abandoned cat and filter it. So we will move to the next step. Then the next step you just add here new arrivals or any your email you can design according to your template or products. Then you will move to the, we will just add few things here and then we will add to the next step. And now you can just press here to send the broadcast. We will now send it here. So the another main function is the landing page and form. You can easily create a pop-up form here and install it in your store. It is also a very good thing. Now we have create here new, click new. Already one form is created. You can create landing page also using this software, or we will create a form in, and there are different options available. We will create this and you can choose any of these templates. I will choose this. After that you have the option to customize, change the image, text, anything like that. We will get the embedded code from here like that, copy it. Now we will insert it on our Shopify store, so that the pop-up will be displayed. So we will get here on the themes, then get here on edit code. Now we will insert on our main theme.liquid page. You can also insert this to your product. You can also insert it in your product page and different pages that you want to. We will know it at the end. We just click here and save it. Now form will be added on the Shopify store. So this is the JavaScript. You can also HTML code and WordPress and different options are available here. So we will click here on save, and this is save page. So this is now our form will be created, and our subscriber will be added in there. So there's also a best tool is automation tool, and you can add it automation tool here. You will click here and new automation. This is for sending the automatically email like weekly subscribers, and weekly you can browse templates here and select different templates. Evergreen newsletters, these are different processes you can send it. And like you are arranging a webinar and you can send different, that 1 day left, 2 day left, 3 day left, or you are sending that your sale end in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. This is all the process. That's all from today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks. Please subscribe to my channel.